Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to do a small haul from Hobby Lobby. All the spring shop is 60% off, 66% off. So I got some stuff for the house. So I got this, it's a griddle. It's really big, 12 by 22. And it cost, it was originally $99. I don't even see the price on here, but it was originally $99 and it came down to like $34 and some change. So yeah, I need to take advantage of the clearance that they have going on. Also, I got these cute they're called ramen bowls with chopsticks. Really cute. And these were $19.99 and they came down to $6.80. I got this hand blender. It's supposed to be like Star Wars, and it was $39.99, and it was okay. Then it came down to like $16 or $17. So I thought that was pretty cool. But I got this for my son because he likes to bake, and he asked me for one, and it was on sale, so I got it. I got this mini waffle maker for, I don't know, $6 something as well, less than $7. It's kind of shaky. I'm so sorry, it's shaky. I got this griddle sandwich maker, grilled cheese sandwich maker. I thought this was so cute because it was Snoopy. Regular price $50, but it was also down to like, I think, less than $20. And then the last thing that was for the home, because I got some other stuff too, is this milkshake maker. So it's a Coke milkshake maker. And I forgot what it's cost. It was $49.99 down to like, it was under $20, $16, $17, something like that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some of the other things that I got that are not home related. Okay, so I also got this newsprint paper by Master's Touch from Hobby Lobby. It was regular price. So I think I could do a price adjustment next week if they put it on sale. But it is 18 by 12, 50 sheets. And I don't know if I said it already, but it's for junk journals. And I can always just cut the paper in half and make a journal with half the paper, just however many pages I'm going to use. But the paper is really nice, and it's acid free. So it's got that coffee stain look to it. Okay, so next I'm going to show you some items my husband picked up for himself. And he won't admit it, but his stuff is more expensive than mine. So the beads were half off. So he got these really cute, I don't know what, it doesn't say what kind of beads they are, but they're really, really nice. And then these lava beads, and I think this is just wood beads right here. You got these white turquoise beads. He picked up these 2 packs of big eye needles for the bracelets he's gonna make. And then he got some more cord. So he got this bead cord, and it's thinner. And then he also got this on braided cord. Next, he got me these. So the polymer clay stuff is on clearance. I don't know if, I think it's a new clearance because they had a lot of stuff. These, what are these called? ¿Cómo se llama esto? Oh, clay cutters. He got me these clay cutters. So this one's a square. And they're only 24 cents. I mean, regular price, they really aren't expensive, but 24 cents is, like, can't beat it. The snowman. 2 of the flower ones. I wanna play around with the flower one first. The little gingerbread man. And this one with all the little like snacks or dessert. It was only 62 cents. And then this little bear. This one's a bear. And then also more polymer clay. So I don't know which one, but I got them for jewelry. So I got this really pretty iridescent like purple color. I got this gold glitter color, and then this was also like a glitter like brown color, and they were on clearance, 82 cents and 89 cents. So I also got he had me pick this one up for what I'm going to be for the clay. It was only $1.99 on clearance, and it's just a bunch of tools to work with the clay. And also this one here, which I was shocked at how much this was. This was $16.99 down to $3.74. So it's a really good deal. I think this is supposed to be like somewhere to put the tools in. This, I wish I'd have picked up a second one of these, but this is polymer clay adhesive, and it was regular price $7.99 down to $1.99. I thought that was something worth trying out. And this clear liquid polymer clay, poly clay. I have one that I opened. Did I open it? No, I don't think I've opened it yet, but I think I'm gonna open that one before I open this one. But this one's different from the other one. And then the last thing I got was this liquid Sculpey, and they had other colors. I just didn't want to buy everything, but I wanted to get the other colors next time. They had this one's gold, white, or pearl, white, and silver, but they had like different colors, and the prices like only $2.74 compared to $11. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.